Most of you have joined, 23 of you joined. Okay, I'll just message once again. Now, when we talk about sequence and series, right? When we talk about sequence series, we studied that sequence are basically a pattern, right? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, sequence is basically, tell me, if you talk about sequence, it's just an ordered pair, right? Not just pair, an ordered, group of numbers having fixed pattern, right? Group of objects or elements having fixed pattern, right? Yes or no? Right? The sequence can be of number, can be of word, can be of anything. I hope all of you remember that when we talk about math, logical reasoning, we have sequence of words also. Yes or no? Right? Okay. But here we are talking about sequence of numbers. Now, as we say, the sequence, when you talk about sequence, every sequence have some pattern in it, right? And we have seen some problems, some kind of problems, okay, some patterns in the previous class, right, everyone? I hope all of you remember. Okay, now one such sequence was arithmetic progression or AP. Okay, one such sequence is called arithmetic progression or AP. Now, what is this arithmetic progression or AP? So I can say that when in sequence, if the consecutive term have same common difference, right? Every consecutive terms have same common difference, then that is your arithmetic progression. Okay, so that is basic one kind of sequence, which is your arithmetic progression. And then we study what is series. Series is basically the sum of the sequence, sum of all the terms in the sequence is called your series, right? Okay, for example, if a1, a2, a3 an is a sequence, then the sum is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus an. Okay, now when you talk about the sum, so sum is also represented by sigma. So this is a word called as sigma, and it represents sum. It represents sum, consecutive sum. So I can say a1, right, plus a2, a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus an can be represented by ai. I is a variable, and I will start from where? 1 to n, right? So this sequence, right, which is added, okay, can be written as summation of I is equal to 1 to n, means I start from 1 and it will go up till n. Like, see this a1, a2, a3 an, yes or no? So this is just a representation. This is just a representation, right? All of you got it, everyone? Tell me, all of you got this representation of sigma? Tell me, yes? Okay, now think about it. If I'm having 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 100. So can I write like this? This is equal to summation of any number. It doesn't matter, it should be I, because here we just have to write a variable. Variable can be anything. Okay, right? Yes, yes. Okay, so I can say K, and K will be starting from 1 to 100. So this is the meaning of summation, right? Okay. Now, this sum is called a series. Okay. Now, think about it. Try solving this question, everyone, right? Try solving this question, because we haven't solved problems, right? We haven't solved problems. We just gone through the concepts. Okay. So the first problem is given by, write the first three terms in each of the following if sequence is defined by this. So this is the pattern which is given, right? So you have to find a1, a2, a3, a1, a2, a3. An is given. Can you find a1, a2, and a3? Easy, tell me. Can you find a1, a2, a3? If an is given, right, nth term is given, can you find first term, second term, third term? Right? Yes, very good, Vaishnavi. Try to find it. Tell me. Very good, Navya. Very good, very good. So in this, you just have to put the value of n because it is the position, right? I hope all of you remember. Now we check your answer. You made a very small mistake. If you put n is equal to 1, right, you will get what? 7. 4 plus 5, 9. Very good. If you put n is equal to 3, so 3 into 2, 6. Plus 5, 11. Very good, right? So this is first one. Got it? 7 and 11. Yes. What about second one? Tell me. What about second one, everyone? Second one? Second one. Step by step, right? Step by step. Now we are negative, right? It will be negative, yes or no? So first term, A1, A2, A3. Okay. So if you put n is equal to 1, it is minus 1 minus 3 by 2, which, sorry, by 4, which is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. If you put n is equal to 2, so it will be minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. If you put n is equal to 3, so it will be 0. So minus 1, minus 1 by 4 and 0. Got it? Tell me, got it? Yes? Okay, very good. Now, tell me what is the common difference in this? My question is this sequence in AP? Is this sequence in AP? Tell me. Right? Find A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2. Find it. Find it. Are they same? If they are same, then yes, they are in AP. If they're not same, right, then they're not in AP. Tell me, are they in AP? Okay, you're saying no. Okay, let's see. Let's see. A2 minus A1 is equal to what? Minus 1 by 4 minus of minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. This is equal to 1 by 4, right? Now what is A3 minus A2? This is equal to 0 minus of minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. Now tell me. Now tell me. It is same. It is constant. Yes or no? It is constant. Yes or no? Tell me. Right? So obviously if it's constant, tell me. If it is constant, right? Then obviously it is in AP. Got it? Clear? Shirsha, my question was, if AN is given like this, this sequence is in AP, yes or no? So we know that, okay, we know that for any sequence to be in AP, okay, the common difference of two consecutive terms should be constant, right? So I found A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2. Both are constant, right? Both are 1 by 4, which means common difference is constant. Right, Shirsha? Got it? Got it now? Okay. So see, I hope all of you got this. Okay, very good. Now, second one, try solving second one. Try solving second one. Everyone, try solving second one. Yes, yes, obviously. See, if it is an AP, then every two consecutive term, right? The difference of every two consecutive term should be constant, right? It will be constant. Okay. So you have to check also, right? It will be constant. Solve this question number 2. Okay, so Puneet, your answer is correct. Okay, so here the sequence is given by an is equal to n minus 1 into 2 minus n into 3 plus n, and you are asked to find 20th term. Means you have to put n is equal to 20. Just put n is equal to 20. right? So if you put n is equal to 20, you will get this answer. Got it, everyone? All of you got this? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Clear? Vikas, got it? Yes, Krishna, it was this easy, right? It was this is easy. Okay, now think about it. How many of you feeling that this is easy? Tell me. How many of you feeling that this is easy, sir? Raise your hand, right? Yes? Everyone feeling that this is easy? Very good. Okay, next. Next, solve this. Next, solve this. So first term is given. First term is 1 given. Now, for second term, right, you have to use this. Now, for second term, you have to use this. So A2, think about it. A2 is equal to what? According to this, A2 is equal to A1 plus 2. Vastav, correct. Navya, wrong. Okay, so it is what? 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Yes, Navya, correct now. Now, when you talk about A3, A3 should be equal to A2 plus 2. Yes, A2 plus 2, right? Because it is AN is equal to AN minus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now, in same way, A4 is A3 plus 2 and A5 is A4 plus 2. So if you see this, okay, is this sequence in AP? Is this sequence in AP? Yes or no? Is this sequence? Yes, very good. 1, comma 3, comma 5. Very good, Vasta. Very good. 7, 9, 11. Right? So see, 1, 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 3, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 11 minus 9, 2. 2, sorry, 2, 2. Right? Okay. See, A3 is what? A2 plus 2, na? A3 will be equal to A2 plus 2 because it is the relationship. AN is equal to AN minus 1 plus 2. Right? Got it, Prahlad? Tell me, got it? Yes, Darshan, correct. Very good. What is A2? What is A2? Tell me, Prahlad. It is AN minus 1, right? What is A2? A2 is 3, na? A2 is not 2, right? Yes or no? A2 is 3. So it should be 3 plus 2, na? Clear, Prahlad? Clear? There's difference between AN and N. There's difference between AN and N. Okay? Okay, very good. Right? So the answer is this. Okay, now tell me, this was easy? This was easy? Okay, so we will solve some problems. Okay, we will solve problem number 6, 5, 5 and 6. First, solve question number 5. Everyone, solve question number 5. Okay, so I'll explain this one for fifth one again. Right, so A1 is minus 1 power 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1, sorry, 5 power 2, so which is 25. Now, since the power, right, is consecutive, so this is plus, then A2 will be minus, again 5 square is 25, so it will be 5 cube and so on. A3 is plus 5 power 4 and so on. Now, sixth one, it is a mixed fraction. Now, if I'm writing like this, 5 2 by 3, right, what is this? This is equal to 5 into 3 plus 2 by 3. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no? Right? In the same way here, what you will do? 4 into n, 4n plus the whole term, n squared plus 4 divided by 4. Put n is equal to 1. So this is an. Okay, put n is equal to 1. So a1 will be what? Tell me. Yes, A1 will be equal to 4 plus 1 plus 4 by 4. Agree? Which is equal to 9 by 4. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Okay, sorry, it is 5. My bad. It is 5 now. Sorry, my bad. 5. So this is 10. 10 by 4. So which is 5 by 2. Yeah, my bad. It is 5. So 5 by 2, 2.5. Okay, so you can put n is equal to 2. You will get A2. Clear? Prahlad, conversion of mixed fraction we have studied in class 5th, 5th, 6th. 2, 1 by 3 is equal to what? Tell me. 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3, right? This is what you have studied, right? So this is basic definition. This is basic definition. Okay, right? Now, the next concept that we studied was AP. So I said that AP is a sequence. AP is a sequence in which the common difference, right? The common difference is constant. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. AP is a sequence in which the common difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Okay. So general term is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have derived everything. Okay. We have derived everything. Yes. Okay. And when you talk about Sn is the sum of n terms, which is a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on. So I hope all of you remember the derivation of that. We have derived this also, right? That sum of term is n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. How many of you remember this derivation? This was the last derivation that we were doing in last class. Okay. See, this was the derivation that we did in last class. Yes or no? Yes or no? This was the last concept that we studied. Right, everyone? Yes, sum of term is series, Vastav. Sum of terms is series. Okay. So everyone remember this? Okay, very good. So we will try to solve some problems based on that. Okay, we'll try to solve some problems based on that. Okay, try to solve question number 7, everyone. Try to solve question number 7. Try to solve question number 7. Correct. Very good. Now, first of all, try to understand the problem. Okay. Puneet, correct. Darshan, correct. Very good. Correct. Right? Now, think about it. Think about it. What is given? Try to understand the problem. Okay. That is the first thing that you should do. Try to understand the problem. Okay. Now, the income of person is 3 lakhs in the first year. So 3 lakhs in the first year, right? So A is equal to what? 3 lakhs. Write down the information. Write down the information. Yes or no? A is this 3 lakh in the first year. And he receives an increase of 10,000 in his income per year. So common difference is given by 10,000. See, yes or no? Write down the information first. Write down the information first. Okay, right? For the next 19 years, find the total amount received after 20 years. So n is equal to what? 20. N is equal to 20, right? After 20 years now, so n is equal to 20. What he needs to find the total amount he received. Total amount, right? Tell me. So total amount is what? Sn. Agree or not? Total amount is Sn. Yes or no? Think about it. Yes or no? Yes, everyone is fine with this. That total amount is actually Sn. right? Salary in first year, salary in second year, salary in third year. If you add them, that's your total amount. No? Yes or no? Right? So see, it is given. Okay, it is given that A is 3 lakh, D is 10,000, N is 20. Then we just have used the formula of Sn, right? So S20 is given by N by 2, which is 20 by 2, 20 by 2 into 2A. So 2 into 3 lakh, which is 6 lakhs, plus N minus 1 into D, 19 into 10,000. Now 6,000 plus 19,000, sorry, 6 lakhs plus 1 lakh 90,000 will give me 7 lakh 90,000 into 10, 79 lakh. Got it? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no? Everyone got this? Take your time. Yes? Okay? Okay. So this is the concept. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? I hope all of you understood this. Take your time, try to understand this concept. Okay? Right. Now, let's see some easy problems. Okay, let's see some easy problems. Question number one. Tell me, question number one. Everyone, question number one. I hope all of you can see this. Question number one. Okay, the screen is bigger now. So I'll write down, yes, A is equal to 1. So I can say the first term is 1. Now, consecutive odd numbers. So the consecutive odd numbers, right? The common difference would be what? Tell me. Common difference would be what? For number to be consecutive odd number, the common difference should be what? Very good, Vikas. Very good, Janvi. 2, right? Very good. 2. So common difference is 2. Now, what is last term? Tell me, what is last term? What is the last term? Very good, Vaishnavi. L. L is your 2001. Now, L is basically AN also, right? This is AN also. Okay. So how many of you remember Sn is equal to N by 2 bracket? Tell me, A plus L. How many of you remember this? Yes? But, sir, we don't know N, sir. How to find N? No issues. We know N, right? We know L, which is AN. And we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? Yes or no? So AN we know 2001 is equal to A we know 1 plus N minus 1 into D. D we know which is 2. Clear? Clear everyone? So I can say, okay, this is 2000 because 1 will go this side. So 2001 minus 1 will become 2000 divided by 2 is equal to N minus 1. So 1000. N is equal to 1001. Yes or no? N is equal to 1001. Agree? Agree? Anyone have any issue in this? Navya, you're getting? Everyone is getting step by step. Try to understand this. Okay. Right? I'll just delete it. Okay, after getting N, we know that Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. So we got N is equal to 1001 by 2 into A is 1 plus L is 2001. So it is 2002 by 2. So it is 1001 into 1001. Yes or no? Right? Yes. Okay. So I hope all of you can got the final answer. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got it? Yes, very good. Very good, everyone. Very good. Now, try solve question number 3. Everyone, try solving question number 3. Now, what is sum of first 5 terms? Think about it, right? Mansa, what is the sum of first 5 terms? It will be S5. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Sum of first 5 terms is S5. Yes or no? Think about it, right? Okay, what is sum? What is the sum of next 5? Which is what is S10? What is S10? Tell me, what is S10? S10 is first 10 terms, because when you talk about S, the formula is for all the sum, right? Sum from first to nth term, right? So this is for what? First to fifth term, and this is first to 10th term. If you want to find 6th to 10th term, what you have to do? Tell me. If you want to find the sum from 6th to 10th term, what you have to do? Tell me. That is the hint. Subtract. Very good, Prahlad. Very good. Right? Because this is 1 to 10. This is 1 to 5. So from 6 to 10, it will be S10 minus S5. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Agree? Think about it. Everyone, think about it. Now, according to my problem, okay, the sum of first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Means sum of first 5 terms, right? Let's see. Sum of first 5 terms is S5, and this is equal to 1/4 of next 5 terms, which is this, right? So I can say sum of first 5 terms, which is S5, is equal to 1/4 of next 5 terms, which is S10 minus S5. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Step by step. Everyone got this one? Tell me. S5 is equal to 1/4. No, rational screen is not frozen, right? I hope all of you can see the screen now. Okay. So I'm saying sum of first 5 terms is S5. Sum of next 5 term is S10 minus S5. According to this problem, this S5 is 1/4 of this. So I wrote S5 is equal to 1/4, S10 minus S5. So if you take S5 to that side, you will get what? 5/4 S5 is equal to S4 by 10. So S4 by 4. 4 will get cancelled. 5 S5 is equal to S4. Yes or sorry, S10. Yes or no? 5 S5 is equal to S10. Right? Right, everyone? Okay. So let's write it down. Let's write it down. 5 S5 is equal to S10. Okay. Which can be said that 5 into S5 is what? N by 2, I'll just write down n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to n dash by 2 into 2a plus n dash minus 1 into d. Yes or no? Where n is equal to 5 and n dash is equal to 10. So put the value 5 into 5 by 2 into 2 into a is given as 2, a is given as 2, it's given, a is equal to given, plus 5 minus 1, which is 4d, right? Okay, got it? Tell me, got it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, now this is equal to n dash by 2, which is n dash by 2, which is 10 by 2 into 2 into 2, 4 plus 10 minus 1, 9d. So this is linear equation 1 variable for d. Okay, so it will be what? 25 into 4 plus 4d is equal to 10, 4 plus 9d. Okay, 5 2 times, 5 5 times, solve it. 20 plus 20d is equal to 8 plus 18d. This will go this side, this will go this side. You will get the value of d, yes or no? Okay, Janvi, I'll explain again. Question समझो. First term is given as 2. First term is given as 2. Sum of first 5 terms. Sum of first 5 terms is AS5. Okay. This is equal to 1/4. 1/4. Okay. Right. Of next 5 terms. Next 5 terms, which is S6 plus S7 plus S8 plus S9 plus S10. Sorry, not S. T1, T2, T3. My bad. T6 plus T7 plus T8 plus T9 plus T10, right? And if you see this, what is this? Before this, we will have S5 plus this will give you S10. So this whole term is given by S10 minus S5, yes or no? This is the next 6 terms. Agree? Next 5 terms. Sorry, next 5 terms. Agree? Because so the next 5 term is S10 minus S5. Okay, so from here I got A2 and S5 is equal to 1 by 4. S10 minus S5. Now if you solve this 1 by 4, S5 will go this side, you become plus. Sorry, I did a small mistake, right? Sorry, I did a small mistake while calculation. It would be what? S5, okay, no, it was correct, sorry, it was correct, plus S5 by 4. S5 plus S5 by 4 is equal to S10 by 10. Okay, yes or no? Sorry, S10 by 4. S10 by 4. So 4 plus 1 plus 1. So it will be 5 S5. Taking the LCM by 4 is equal to S10 by 4. 4 will get cancelled. So 5 S5 is equal to S10. Clear? Everyone is clear in this? Tell me, everyone is clear in this? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया? यहाँ तक भी इसको दिक्कत है? प्रहलाद, दिस इज S5 नोटेशन है, 5 मल्टीप्लाई नहीं है इसमें, S डिवाइड बाय 5 थोड़ी ना है. दिस इज नोटेशन. S5 इज जस्ट अ नोटेशन, राइट? ओके, सो 5 into S5. S5 क्या था? S5 is 5 by 2 n by 2 into 2a, which is 4, plus n minus 1 into d, which is 4d, is equal to S10, which is again 10 by 2 into 2a plus 9d, 4 plus 9d. If you solve this, you will get a value of d. Clear? Right? Clear? So after getting d, you got a also, you got d also, you have n also. You can find an. Okay. Clear? Clear, everyone? Okay. So this was the concept of AP, okay, and basic sequence and series. AP and basic sequence series. Okay, right? There are other sequences. There's GP, there's HP, there's mixed. Okay, but those we will study in next class, right? Means not 9th, 10th. Okay, clear, everyone? So we will discuss. We'll have one more class. I'll upload some assignment, right? Some exercise. Only 10-15 problems you can try. Okay, we will discuss that in next class, right? Okay.